Kabe, a reggae muffin kabe, a reggae music kabe, Kalama reggae muffin, everywhere you go, search me kabe. I said I'm a reggae muffin, a rhythm killer kabe. Where are you? Every reggae warrior. No, Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin. Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae warrior, Kalama reggae warrior, Kalama reggae muffin, kabe, amu reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin. I said the reggae warrior, Kalama reggae warrior. King Kabe, everywhere you go, and the king of the palace, everywhere you come in, I'm the Paris, them Murangira, Owengo Mada, King Kabe, Zazitula, Kokatina, Fuka Kabaka, Zikuba Zona, the Muleta, Kuanga, Ama reggae muffin, I tell them when you coffee in a papa dance, the music in Yazitanada. You say Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin. Reggae muffin, Kalama reggae warrior, Kalama reggae warrior. I said that reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin. I said that reggae warrior, Kalama reggae warrior. Me no fear everybody. I don't care where you coming from. Oh Jamaica, oh America, oh Australia, oh Japania. I don't fear anybody, everywhere you go. And the king of reggae muffin, Kabe, I'm a reggae muffin. No fear everybody. Me say, chusa, man, what's going on? Take a call. Reggae muffin, Momo Woody, the Kalama reggae muffin everywhere you go. Namwe arando kera sitide kaneno mujikope karemo gatu senkate tegeranti mukopa reggae muffin kabe na ye Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae warrior, Kalama reggae warrior. A reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin, Kalama reggae muffin, warrior, Kalama reggae warrior, Kalama reggae warrior. Reggae is enough, reggae is enough. Listen, my sweetie word. One love from ghetto to the top of the world. From ghetto to the top of the world. From ghetto to the top of the world. Hey, reggae is enough. Listen my word, sweetie word. One love your woman like a best love. Let's love every woman. You can love your man, and every man love your woman, because we are Superman, we are super ladies, we are everybody, we are big reggae muffin, a ghetto muffin. Ghetto people, no stop. What's going on about you? What in Uganda we suffering some more, but we don't know what done next tomorrow. One day you gonna be like Kabe, reggae muffin. I said that reggae muffin. Me say that reggae muffin, ya bamba.